Epic Games just changed how games get built. No big announcement, no press tour. They quietly dropped AI into Unreal Engine, and the dev community has not stopped arguing about it since. Unreal Engine runs some of the biggest games on the planet. Fortnite, Black Myth Wukong, Hogwarts Legacy. When Epic changes something in Unreal, it ripples across the entire industry. So when they started embedding AI directly into the engine, tools handling animation, environments and NPC behavior, developers noticed, and reactions split hard down the middle. Half the community calls it the future, the other half calls it the end of their careers. Let's look at what actually changed and why both sides have a point. The centerpiece is MetaHuman Animator. Before this, creating a realistic human character took months. Motion capture studios, expensive equipment, teams of animators cleaning up data frame by frame. MetaHuman Animator does it from a phone camera. You record a performance. AI maps your facial movements onto a photorealistic digital human in minutes. Studios that couldn't afford motion capture before can now produce cutscene quality animation on an indie budget. That's genuinely exciting, unless your job was doing that animation manually. Then there's what they're doing with NPCs. Epic has integrated large language models into Unreal's behavior system. NPCs don't just follow scripts anymore. They reason, they react, they remember. Picture an open world where every character responds to what you did 3 hours ago. A guard who remembers you robbed a store. A shopkeeper with an opinion about the war across the map. That's not a concept. Developers are building it right now inside Unreal Engine. For players, massive leap in immersion. For writers who used to script every NPC line, that work is being automated. Here's what the worried side is saying. No single tool replaces a developer. It's the combination. AI handles animation. AI handles dialogue. AI generates environments. AI tests the build. Each tool alone is a productivity boost. All of them together starts to look like a skeleton crew doing what used to take a full studio. And Epic isn't the only one. Unity is doing it. Amazon's Lumberyard is doing it. Every major engine is racing to embed AI as deep as possible. The developers who are scared aren't being paranoid. They're reading the roadmap. But the other side isn't weak either. Every time a tool made game development faster, the industry didn't shrink. It expanded. Better tools meant more games. More games meant more jobs. Just different ones. When 3D engines replaced hand-drawn sprites, people said artists were done. They weren't. Demand for 3D artists exploded. When procedural generation arrived, level designers didn't disappear. They shifted from placing every rock manually to designing the systems that place the rocks. AI raises the ceiling, and when the ceiling goes up, ambition follows. Studios don't ship the same game with fewer people. They ship a bigger game with the same people. That argument has history behind it. Epic didn't ask developers if they were ready. They just shipped it. And that's the whole story of AI in gaming right now. It's not waiting for anyone to get comfortable. Next video, we're looking at the AI tool that's already inside your games right now. And you've never noticed it. It's been there for years. Stay tuned.